or even someone like Ron Hatch, who wrote a book called Escape from Einstein, detailing how GPS does not need relativity whatsoever. But Ron's interpretation was slightly different than Dr. Edward Dowdy's position, yet the same points apply. Going over the details of how relativity isn't needed for GPS and an alternative to time dilation might take another equally long video. All of this is really just the tip of the iceberg so people can gain context and learn about the history of different models, that there are indeed credible alternatives and equations which yield the same solutions and predictions, and to learn about the existence of Dr. Edward Dowdy and his brilliant contributions to science and astrophysics. This video is for people who are interested in credible alternatives to relativity and mainstream models as to how light behaves and propagates, looking at the same data and interpreting it in different ways, yielding some of the same conclusions, but with a different approach. I tend to have a lot more visual material than audio in my videos, so you can replay it, pause it, or put it on mute, and those who don't speak English can still glean information and learn without words.